They say performance equal potential minus distractions. And I personally have unwavering belief in people's potential, yet not everyone is performing. So maybe we have to look at our distractions. What is distracting you? What's not allowing you to perform? Is it because you have no goals and you're just moving on autopilot mode? If that's the case, then this is your kind reminder to set some smart goals starting today. If your distraction is some pain or traumas that you are over the years burying under the carpet thinking that they would disappear and they won't affect your performance, again, this is your reminder that the deeper this gets, the stinkier it gets. So please know that you are courageous, you are resourceful, and you can do it. So stop burying those pains and traumas. Finally, is your distraction your comparison to others and to others' journeys? So again, this is your reminder that comparison is the strongest act of violence against oneself. You can't compare yourself to others. That would distract you. So if you really want to perform, you know that you've got the potential, remove the distractions, and you will get there.